Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is relative positions of circles and their common tangents in our circles. Before doing our problems, definitely we know the information. We need the information of common tangents. The common tangent depending on the positions of the circles. What are the positions? Let's observe. If s equals to 0 and s dash equals to 0 are the two circles like this. Okay. C1, C2 are the centers, R1, R2 are the radii. S equals 0, S equals to 0. Okay. C1, C2 are the centers. R1, R2 are radii. That means radius of circles S equals 0 and S dash equals 0 respectively. Okay. By taking the distance between C1 and C2, the first condition, if C1, C2, the distance between C1, C2 like this, C1, C2, it is a greater than R1 plus R2. It is a greater than R1 plus R2 like this. C1, C2, R1 is R2. The C1, C2 is a greater than like this, R1 plus R2. Then circles are, one circle is a completely outside of the circles. Another circle like this. Okay. One circle is outside the another circle. Now it is a position. In this position we have two pair of common tangents to them. Two pair of common tangents. Observe here. One pair of common tangents like this. Okay, these are called direct common tangent. Here we have common tangent, two pairs. One is a direct common tangent. Direct common tangent. Okay. And another one, a pair of common tangents like this. Okay. These are called transverse common tangents. Now what is the meaning of direct common tangents and transverse? At the first transverse, observe here, the pair of common tangents meet at the point lies on the C1, C2. Lies on C1, C2. On C1, C2. The intersection of common tangents lies on the C1, C2 is called transverse tangent. Otherwise, these are called the intersection of both tangents not on the C1, C2. Not on C1, C2. The intersection of direct common tangents not on the C1, C2. The intersection of transverse common tangent on the C1, C2. That's why these are called transverse. Now these are called direct common tangents. Now this is the position of circles and the common tangents of circles. Okay, two pairs, total 4. And second one, if C1 C2, the distance between C1 C2 is equals to R1 plus R2, equals to R1 plus R2, like this. C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. Now circles are touch to each other. How? Externally. This is called external touch. Externally. Okay, the position of circles is touch to each other externally, and the common tangents are, the number of common tangents are 3, like this. First one. Now it is a only one common tangent, it is called transverse, like this. Now these are direct common tangents. The point of intersection not on the C1 C2, observe. Okay, 2 direct common tangents and 1 transverse. Okay, like this. And more positions. The third one, C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, less than R1 plus R2, like this. Okay, C1 C2, definitely it is a less than R1 from here to here, R1, and from here to here, R2. It is definitely below R1 plus R2, and also it is a more than R1 minus R2, C1 C2, and R1 plus R2. Now here circles are intersecting to each other. Circles are intersecting to each other. Yes or no? And the number of common tangents are 2 only. Yes or no? Only we have 2 direct common tangents, like this. Okay, 2 direct common tangents. Okay, next, fourth one, 2 direct common tangents here, and fourth one, C1 C2 is equals to R1 minus R2, like this. C1 is a C2. The distance between C1 C2 is definitely equals to the R1, difference of R1 minus R2. Now here also we can observe it is also be a C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. In these 2 cases, the C1 C2, the distance between C1 C2 is below R1 plus R2. That's why here mentioned it is a more than difference of R1 and R2 and below R1 plus R2. But here also it is below R1 plus R2 but equals to the R1 minus R2. But here it is more than R1 minus R2. Here equals to R1 minus R2. That is the difference between them. Okay. Now C1 C2 equals to R1 minus R2. Now here the positions of circles is, circles are touch to each other, like this. Here also touch to each other. Touch to each other. But in internally. Here we have one common tangent. Common tangent only one. Okay? Common tangent only one. If the C1, C2 equals to sum, here we have three common tangents. If the difference equals to the C1, C2, here we have only one common tangent. Here also touch to each other, here also touch to each other. But here equals to the C1, C2 equals to the sum, but here the difference. That is the difference between them. Okay? And fifth one, if C1, C2 also below R1 minus R2, the below R1 minus R2, difference of R1 minus R2. Now circles positions are like this. One circle completely inside of another circles. Okay? One circles completely inside of another circles. Like this. One circle completely inside another circle. Okay, these are the positions. Now here we can solving if circles are touched to each other like this. Now here transverse common tangents like this. We can solving transverse and direct common tangents. Let observe here this point, intersection of transverse common tangent on the where C1 C2. Yes or no? Okay. If it is on the C1 C2, the point of intersection may it divides C1 C2 in the R1 is to R2 internally. This is called internally. Here the point of intersections of direct common tangents divides C1 C2 the externally. Okay? By taking these conditions, we can solving direct common tangents and transverse common tangents. Okay? Here also we can solving direct common tangents by taking the ratio method. But the only one transverse common tangents, just we can taking the equation like this, s minus s dash equals 0, then we will get the common tangent of both circles. Here also s minus s dash equals 0, the equation of common tangents when these circles has only one common tangent. Single common tangents, we can solving the common tangent equation by taking s minus s dash equals to 0. Okay, these are the positions of the circles and their common tangents. Okay, definitely we can using this information for solving long answer type of questions. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.